W6RIP, name's Kevin. I'm out here in Mill Creek. Love this weather. I love coming out here, listening to the water. Whenever it rains, it's got a lot of fog, a lot of, the storm came through. It's not really raining right now, but anyways, what I want to talk to you about is wilderness protocol. Okay, I want to give you a rundown of wilderness protocol, and I want to simplify it for you. I want to simplify it for everyone that wants to get into it, might not understand it. I want to keep it easy, keep it convenient, so it's easy for anyone on the trail to know what to do. So basically, every 3 hours starting at 7 a.m., you are going to listen for traffic. So starting at 7 a.m., 10 a.m., 1 p.m., and so forth, you're going to be listening for traffic for anybody that needs help. And then in your case, you might need to call for help. You never know. So that's basically what it is, and you're doing it every 3 hours so you can conserve your battery. So you don't want to be calling for help over and over and over and burn your battery out of 5 watts. You're just going to call out when you know people are listening. And you could be out somewhere in between these canyons and these hills in the mountains, and you got radio to radio 520 simplex, or you can also with your handheld have all your local repeaters plugged in. So if you need help, get out and hit up your local repeater. And another thing is a lot of people are afraid to go get their ham radio license, or think that it's too hard, or think you're going to be a nerd. Well, whatever, I'm a nerd. So get your ham radio license. It's going to help you understand this radio. Okay, it's going to help you understand how to program it, how to use it, how to hold it, areas to get to. Obviously, you're going to call for help. You want to get as high as you possibly can to the top of the mountain with an open line of sight to wherever you're trying to get to. It's going to help you understand that. Okay, but saying that, in a bona fide emergency, you can have this radio and call for help. Okay, you do not need a ham radio license. In a bona fide emergency, it is okay. Okay. If you get on a repeater and try to talk to people and you don't have a call sign, you're going to get ignored. Okay, that's what you need to have a conversation over ham radio, is to have a call sign, be able to identify. And with that being said, you can carry one of these with you as an emergency device, able to reach out for help. Another thing is I'm going to be carrying one of these on rescues, and I can listen to 146520 and listen for anybody calling for help. There's been a couple rescue scenarios that I've noticed that if wilderness protocol was being followed and somebody had one of these little radios, search and rescue team could have said, listening for traffic, and somebody could have said, hey, I'm down here in the canyon, I'm down here, I was coming down this trail and I went the wrong way, I can see this repeater on this mountain, or I can see this, or I'm right at the bottom of this mountain, in between this mountain. There's a lot of things that you can change your scenario from 5 days to 5 hours just by having a ham radio. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell. Doing a giveaway right now, and I got some traction on it, some traffic. It's still open. You got time to enter that giveaway. It's going to be, I think I said a little bit after 4th of July is going to be the cutoff. It's a Heil BM10 headset that I use on my Summits on the Air activation. So if I missed something, throw it down in the comments. Basically, I'm trying to make this simple, okay? There's no 6 meters that I'm saying listen to, even UHF. Just keep it VHF, keep it simple, listen to it for the full 5 minutes, and hopefully, we can get some traction on this and spread the word to, there's a lot of hikers out here in these local mountains around my house. So, and all over, so it'll help you. I got another video talking about cell phone, ham radio, and Garmin satellite. You get 3 phases. You're covered across the board. Okay, so when you need to communicate, you can call for help. So thanks for watching.